Okay, now let's start with your speaking. What's your name?
My name is Kirandeep Kaur.
How may I address you?
You may call me Kiran as my first name.
What's the meaning of your name?
The meaning of my name Kiran is light.
Okay, Kiran, are you working or are you a student?
I am student. I recently passed my senior secondary in commerce stream.
What's your favorite subject and why?
My favorite subject is economics. It is really very interesting subject because in this subject we get to know about the economic condition of our country.
Are you interested in any sport?
Uh, no, I do not have much interest in sports. But usually I go for morning walk because I am interested in to get my physiques good. So that's why I usually prefer to go morning walk and do some other exercise also.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, of course. I am very fashion freak person. I always like to buy different things. I always like to buy different things so that I make ourselves beautiful.
Okay. Do you prefer to read newspaper or magazine?
Uh, Generally, I like to read newspaper because it is in my daily schedule to learn to read newspaper, and through this I aware about what happen in our surrounding or in on our earth.
Okay. What do you think is the best age to learn driving?
Uh, According to me, after 18 is the best age to learn driving because after 18, it's our license is make so that according to me, after 18 is the best age.
Okay. Your cue card is describe a time when you changed your opinion and you have a minute to prepare for it.
There are a number of times when people change their opinion due to their personal problem or whenever they face any type of difficulty. At that time, they change their opinion. But here I am going to talk about a time when I was changed my opinion. Actually, when I was in my 11th standard, at that time I was really very confused that which subject I opted for my senior secondary, and I vividly remember that I opted medical stream at that time because due to my parents' pressure and teachers also suggested me to opt this subject. I was really confused at time, but I opted this subject. After some days, I faced a lot of difficulty in this subject, so I shifted from commerce stream. Commerce is a really very interesting subject. At that time, I found this. Even I did lot of hard work for my opinion to get good marks in my senior secondary. I even changed my daily schedule to get good marks. I even worked a lot for my goal. Even I studied more than 8 to 9 hours in a day, and I also took help of my parents as well as teachers also, and even worked on my weak subjects also. So at the last, I got very good marks in my senior secondary. I got 84% marks. It was really very good achievement for me. I was over the moon on that time when I got my result. So according to me, this was the result. This was the opinion which I changed at my 11th standard, and the result was also very good at the last.
Okay. Now let's move towards your follow ups. Do children like to change opinion?
Yes, often children change their opinion because they do not have more experience related to their life, so they generally change their opinion whenever they feel any type of problem in it.
Okay. Why do people change opinion?
Generally people change their opinion when they do not have any type of knowledge about any particular work, or they do not have more experience regarding any work, so at that time they change their opinion.
Who do young people turn to for advice?
Young people generally take advice from their parents as well as teachers, because they trust both teachers and parents more than other people, and also parents and teachers have a more experience, so that's why they always take help of parents as well as teachers.
Do people like giving opinion about politics?
Well, it depends upon person to person. If an individual have a more knowledge regarding politics, then they definitely discuss about it. But if they do not have any interest in politics, so they do not bother to discuss about politics.
Okay. Now here we end up with your interview. Okay. Now I will describe some of the mistakes which you did in your cue card. And the mistakes was I was changed. I was ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ second form ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗਦੀ, was changed ਨਹੀਂ, I changed my opinion. I vividly remember, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ vividly remember ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਮੈਨੂੰ clearly ਯਾਦ ਆ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਸਟਰੀਮ, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ vividly ਦੀ ਵਰਡ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗੀ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ ਬਹੁਤ ਕਾਮਨ ਚੀਜ਼ ਆ ਵੀ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਯਾਦ ਹੋਣਾ ਹੀ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮੈਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਸਟਰੀਮ ਲਿਆ ਸੀਗਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। opted word ਦੀ ਰੈਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਸੀਗੀ, opted ਸਟਾਰਟਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਊ ਕਾਰਡ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, opted, ਫਿਰ subject word ਦੀ ਰੈਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਣ ਲੱਗੀ। ਮਿਸਟੇਕ ਤੁਹਾਡੀ ਇਹ ਆ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਰਡ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨ ਲੱਗ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਹ ਇੱਕੋ ਲਾਈਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 2-2 3-3 ਵਾਰੀ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਫਿਰ ਜਿਵੇਂ opted, ਫਿਰ subject, then you used and even, ਫਿਰ also word ਯੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ, ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵਰਡਸ ਦੀ ਰੈਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ। ਜਦੋਂ ਮੈਂ also ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਫਿਰ ਇੱਕੋ ਲਾਈਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਨਸਟੈਂਟਲੀ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਆਈ ਈਵਨ ਦੀ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਆ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਬਹੁਤ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, ਇਹਦੀ ਰੈਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਸੀਗੀ। ਇੱਕ ਆਈ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰੀ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਛੱਡ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ, ਉਸੇ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਫਿਰ 2-3 ਵਾਰੀ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਇੱਕੋ ਲਾਈਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੀ।
ਸਰ ਇਹ ਦੱਸ ਦਿਆ ਕਰੋ ਨਾ ਨਾਲ ਨਾਲ, ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ opted ਕਿਹਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾਲ ਦੱਸ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ opted ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਸੀ।
ਕਹਿਣਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀਗਾ, ਇਹ
ਕਹਿਣਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ opted।
I opted for, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਹੁਣ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਵੀ I opted for,
I took it.
ਨਹੀਂ I opted for ਕਿਹੜਾ ਸੀਗਾ, I opted for commerce stream, then this subject was told to me by my teachers, then also this subject was told to me by my parents, then this subject was also told to me, ਐਵੇਂ ਦੀਆਂ ਮਿਸਟੇਕਸ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ ਉਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਬਾਰ-ਬਾਰ ਤਾਂ ਕਹਿਣੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਸੀ, ਉਹ ਖਤਮ ਹੀ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਸੀ, ਵੈਨਿਸ਼ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਸੀਗਾ। It was suggested to me by various people, for example my teachers, my friends and my parents also told me that you should opt for this subject। ਉਹ ਸਾਰੀ ਸਮਰਾਈਜ਼ ਹੋ ਜਾਣੀ ਸੀਗੀ ਇੱਕੋ ਲਾਈਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਟਾਈਮ ਪੂਰਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਟਾਈਮ ਸਹੀ ਟਾਈਮ 'ਤੇ ਕੀਤਾ ਕਵਰ, ਈਵਨ ਦੀ ਰੈਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਸੀਗੀ, ਐਂਡ ਸੋ ਹੇਅਰ ਬਸ ਆਹੀ ਮਿਸਟੇਕ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ। Your main mistakes were that you made repetitions, and ਕੁਛ words ਜਿਹੜੇ ਹੈਗੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ 'ਤੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਹ ਸਾਊਂਡ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਵਾਂਗੂ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਉਹਦੇ 'ਤੇ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਆ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਦੇਖੋਗੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗੂਗਾ ਵੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਰਡ ਇੱਕ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਹੋ ਹਾਈਲਾਈਟ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਸਬਜੈਕਟ 'ਤੇ ਜ਼ੋਰ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਦੇ ਕੇ ਬੋਲਦੇ, ਉਹ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਫਲੋ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੋਲਣਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਰੈਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨ ਸੀਗੀਆਂ ਬੇਸਿਕ। ਯੋਰ ਮਿਸਟੇਕਸ ਵਰ ਦੈਟ ਯੂ ਆਰ ਡੂਇੰਗ ਰੈਪੀਟੀਸ਼ਨਸ ਐਂਡ ਸਮ ਵੇਅਰ ਯੋਰ ਪੌਜ਼ਸ ਵਰ ਦੇਅਰ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਓਬਵੀਅਸ ਆ ਵੀ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਫਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ ਕੈਮਰਾ ਕੌਨਸ਼ੀਅਸ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੰਦਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਕਰਕੇ ਆ। ਬਟ ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਟੂਡੇਜ਼ ਸਪੀਕਿੰਗ ਵਾਜ਼ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਆਫ 6 bands, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ।